Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. This is the lecture for class 7 and subject English. Today we will do activize passivize of past continuous tense. You know very well what is past continuous. Action was going on in the past but not completed. It means that the action is continuously happening but there is no end. Formation of past first we recall our past continuous formation, and after that we will go to the passivize. After that, formation is was, were plus ing form. Present participle is in easy wording. We can say that ing form, like मैं बाज़ार जा रही थी. I was going to बाज़ार. अम्मी खाना बना रही थी. The mother was cooking food. हम टीवी देख रहे थे. We were watching TV. According to this formation, affirmative, I am talking about past continuous. Action was going on in the past but not completed. Now it's up to solve past continuous. Activize we have done. This is activize. Now it's time to revise passivize. Fail, maruf, oba, majul. First of all, we recall the rules of passivize. Here are some rules. I have discussed it already in present continuous activize passivize. So let's start to revise it again. The subject is replaced with the object. The subject is replaced with the object and the object is replaced with the subject. सब्जेक्ट को हम ऑब्जेक्ट से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं और ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट से. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज़ यूज. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म इज़ यूज, यानी थर्ड फॉर्म लगाई जाती है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज़ यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस. अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स बाय बिफोर ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले, यानी जो सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है उससे पहले हम बाय लगाते हैं. उसके बाद इफ पर्सन प्रोनाउंस आर यूज इन द प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट देन दे कन्वर्ट इनटू पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. लाइक आई है तो मी हो जाएगा. हर है तो हर सेल्फ हो जाएगा. ही है तो हिम हो जाएगा. दे है तो दैम हो जाएगा. ठीक है. दीज आर द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ पैसिवाइज. Now students, the formation of the simple affirmative sentences, it means past continuous. First we use subject and after that was, were according to subject according to tense, and was and were shows that it is past, and after that we use ing form to show that it is continuous, and after that we use object, that is activize formation. And now we have passivize formation. We replace object with subject, so we write here object but it is we use as a subject. After that we use was and were to show that it is past, and being, being, is shown for the continuous. Being is used to show that it is a continuous sentence. After that we use third form of verb, that is the rule of the passivize, and after that we use by and then subject. It means that it is object because we replace subject to object and object to subject. That is called passivize. Okay, that is the formation of activize and that is the formation of the passivize. What is the common thing is was, were, and being is used to show that it is a continuous, and after that we use third form of verb. Okay, so students, here is have an example for interrogative activize and passivize both. क्या वो पतंग उड़ा रहे थे? मारूफ means activize. क्या पतंग उनसे उड़ाई जा रही थी? That is मजूल, passivize. It means that first we have to solve and first we have to practice of activize. क्या वो पतंग उड़ा रहे थे? Were they flying a kite? That is activize. Were they flying a kite? Question mark. After that, but when we convert it into passivize, first we take the object as a subject, that is interrogative, so we put helping verb at the start of the sentence. Were, after that a kite. It means that now it replaces the subject and now it is subject. Were, a kite, being is used for to show that it is continuous, and after that we use third form of verb. What is the third form of verb of fly? Flew, flown, flying. So flown. Were, a kite, being, flown, and by we use before the object, that is they, they replace with possessive pronoun them. Were a kite being flown by them? Question mark. That is passivized. That is activized. Were they flying a kite? Were a kite being flown by them? That is passivized. Is that clear now? Now I have another example of interrogative as well. That is past continuous, activized and passivized. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. रहा था. That is the identification of the past continuous. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. मरूफ. I was not watching TV. Activized. Now we convert it into passivized. टीवी मुझसे नहीं देखा जा रहा था. टीवी इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट है ना, तो उसको हमने सब्जेक्ट बना देना है. टीवी मुझसे नहीं देखा जा रहा था. मजहूल. टीवी वॉज नॉट बीइंग वॉच्ड बाय मी. टीवी रिप्लेस किया किसको? सब्जेक्ट को, तो टीवी आ गए यहाँ. वाज पास्ट के लिए यूज़ किया है. नॉट नेगेटिव के लिए. बीइंग कॉन्टिन्यूस शो करने के लिए कि ये कॉन्टिन्यूस है, तो इसका मतलब है पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. वॉश्ड, इट मीन्स दैट पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस पैसिवाइज बिकॉज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ बाय मी. आई की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? मी. टीवी वॉज नॉट बीइंग वॉश्ड बाय मी. पैसिवाइज. Here is another example of affirmative sentences. I think you are enjoying it because it is a very easy way to explore and to tell you about the active and passive voice together. हमीद अपना घर बेच रहा था. मारूफ. एक्टिवाइज. अपना घर हमीद से बेचा जा रहा था. मजहूल. पैसिवाइज. It means first we solve it and first we practice this. हमीद अपना घर बेच रहा था. Hamid was selling his house. Activize. His house is object, so we put here as a subject. His house was being sold by Hamid. Passivize. Is that clear now? So here students we have some examples are more. Your baby broke the glass. Sorry, that was belong to past indefinite. I was drinking water. मैं पानी पी रही थी. Water was being drunk by me. You were buying new clothes. तुम नए कपड़े खरीद रहे थे. New clothes were being bought by you. तुमसे नए कपड़े खरीदे जा रहे थे या नए कपड़े तुमसे खरीदे जा रहे थे. Birds were doing nothing in their cage. परिंदे अपने पिंजरों में कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे. Nothing was being done by the birds in their cage. परिंदों से कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था अपने पिंजरों में. Where was I talking you? Where was I taking you? Where were you being taken by me? Has Hadi not eating an apple? Was Hadi not eating an apple? क्या हादी सेब नहीं खा रहा था? Was an apple not being eaten by Hadi. So these are the example of past continuous active voice and passive voice. Was were ing form, was were being third form, and by. So students, I think you got many things about that. Formation I will recall it again. Object was were plus being plus third form plus by and subject. Passivize. Subject was were ing form and object activize. That is past continuous activize and passivize. So here's your diary. 7th class. Do practice of activize, of passivize, of past continuous और notebook at least any 15. Any 15 sentences आपने लेने हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल्स दिए वैसे ही आपने देनी है एक्टिवाइज और पैसिवाइज. ठीक है. और that is your diary. On your notebook your writing should be very neat. Fill your index pages and also mentioning date and day. Allah Hafiz.